So what we're going to do is study the solutions of quadratic equations by finding the discriminant. Now the discriminant can be found by using the inner part of the quadratic formula, which is b squared minus 4ac. All right? And then one thing you need to know is that when you're calculating the discriminant, if your discriminant is equal to 0, you have one solution. If your discriminant is a positive number, other than 0, not 0 included, so it's got to be greater than 0, positive greater than 0, it's going to be, you're going to have two solutions. And they're real number solutions, by the way. And then if your number is negative or less than 0, you have two imaginary solutions as well. So let's start by solving. So for the first part, for part A, we have 9x squared minus 12x plus 4 equals 0. So let's get our A, B, and C. So A, 9, B, negative 12, and C, 4. So let's substitute it. So b squared, so that's negative 12 to the second power, minus 4 times 9 times 4. Okay, so now we have 144 minus, you have 36 and 4, or minus 36 and 4, that's 144 again. So that's multiplying. So then you end up with 0. So this one right here, 0, this right here has one solution. And I wrote that for short. So that's the first one. Now for part B, we have A, B, and C for x squared plus 5x plus 8. So our x squared has no number in front of it, but that is 1. And then B is 5, and then C is 8. So let's substitute. So b squared, 5 squared, minus 4 times 1 times 8. That is 25 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 8. That's 32. Now, 25 to 32, that's 5, 6, 7. So it's going to be negative 7. Now, this one right here is negative. So there's two imaginary solutions. Okay, so that's what it boiled down to right there. Negative solution. Now for the final one. You have 2x squared plus 7x minus 3. So let's write down our A, B, and C. So that's 2, 7, negative 3 for C. So now let's replace 7 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 3. So now, when we calculate that, that's 49, and then we have 8. We have negative, negative, so plus, that's going to be positive. So we have 8 times 3, 24. So we add it up, carry 73. All right, so we end up with 73. That means it's positive. So we have two solutions, or two real solutions. So we found the discriminant, and how many solutions? Two real solutions. So right here, I'll just make sure I put here real number solutions, real number solution. Okay, now this one is imaginary solutions, then that means there's no real number ones. Very important. Okay, so that's how you actually find the discriminant.